Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a region map chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart in Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. So we have country and the population over here. So you might be wondering that why I have written only the countries below the country column but not the population. Well, there's a trick. Now what we are going to do is, by using the VBA code, we are going to convert these countries into the geographic data type, and then we are going to populate its population using the VBA code, and then we are going to use the same data to create the region map chart in VBX. Now let's see how we can achieve this using the VBA code. First we will be seeing the output of our code, and then we are going to look after the VBA code and get the deep understanding and the explanation of each line in our code to create a region map. So let's get started. So as you can see that our country has been converted into a geographical data type, and it has populated the population of each and every country, as well as it has also been created a region map in VBA Excel. Now let's see how we can achieve this by the VBA code by looking into our VBA editor and its code. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create the region map. First what we are going to do is, as you have already seen, that first we are going to format our data first, and then we are going to create our map chart or a region chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see how we can do this. First what we have to do for formatting this data into a country or a geographical data, first we are going to select U5, which is the United States cell. So once you have selected this data, always remember you have to select your data below your headers. And after selecting it, what I'm doing is I'm doing a control shift down activity over here. So once this cell is selected, I'm doing a control shift down to select my entire data below it. After that, what I'm going to type is, I'm going to type selection dot convert to linked data type, and after this I'm going to do a space. After giving a space, I'm going to type service ID colon equals to then this ID. You can get this ID by recording a macro, and you can put it in here to convert this into a geographical data type. After that, I'm going to give a comma, and then I have to specify what language I wanted. So I have to specify the language culture. So the language culture is language culture colon equals to, and in the brackets we are first going to give English, which is EN in small letters. After that, give it a hyphen, and then give US, which represents United States, I believe, in the double inverted comma. Once you have given this, your entire data will be converted into a geographical data type. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the next cell available, which is this one, V5, and then I'm going to enter a formula by typing active cell dot formula 2 equals to and inside the bracket, inside the double inverted comma, sorry. So in between the double inverted comma, I am going to type equals to U5, which is this cell, dot population, because I want to get the population of that country. Once I've given this, then I'm going to select my range from V5 to V10. Then, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type range in the brackets double inverted comma V5 colon V10, and outside the brackets I'm going to type dot select. After this, what I'm going to do is in the next line I'm going to type selection dot filled out. So what this will do is this will drag the formula to my selected range. Once this is done, then you have your country converted, your country data converted into your geographical data type and the population for its country. Now we are going to see how to create the map using this data. So for that we require this lines of code. So what we are going to do first is we are going to select a single cell which is U5 inside the data, and then we are going to type active shade dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. These parameters will help us to create the map chart or the region chart in VBA Excel. So first parameter is chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video, for our region map chart, we have the value as 494. After that, we are separating each and every parameter by a comma, and the next parameter which we are going to give is a chart type. So our chart type is Excel region map. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to give the height, width, top and left parameters inside the brackets. Once you have given these parameters, we are going to close the brackets, and then we are going to type dot select. So what this line of code will do is this line of code ensures that it will create a region map chart and it will select the same chart. Now remember, we haven't set our chart title and data labels to our chart. So to do that, we are going to use the with statement which is over here. Now as you can see, we have selected our map chart over here. So once you have selected your map, it becomes your active chart. So we are using with statement with, so the code will be with space active chart, and below that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, then in the double inverted comma you will give the chart title as per your convenience or your preference. So for this video I have kept the chart title as region map in VBA Excel. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot apply data labels and then give it a space. After giving a space, we are going to type show category name colon equals to true. This line of code ensures that you have your data labels shown over here inside your chart. As you can see, Canada, United States has their population values inside it. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to format this data labels as well. So to format the data labels, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot full series collection inside the bracket 1. Outside the bracket we are going to type dot data labels, then dot separator equals to, remember you have to give the double inverted comma 2 times, then space, then give it an ampersand sign, and then give space again, then type chr, and inside the brackets type 13. This will get you into the next line. After that, give it the space again, then colon, then space. So this line of code ensures that your data label is one below another, which means Canada will be the country name and the population will be below that. Population numbers will be below that. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to end the with statement by using end with. Now, congratulations. If you have watched the video till here, you have learned how to create a region map in VBA Excel and how to convert the data into a geographical data type. Now, as you can see that we have selected our data while creating it by creating a map. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell or the same cell inside our data itself. But I would prefer and I would suggest you to select any empty cell inside your worksheet. But for this code and this video, I have selected this same cell which we have initially selected to select or to create the region map in this code. Now, congratulations, you have learned how to create a region map in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.